Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to insert a custom background image in Excel. It can be done very easily and makes it fun and can be used for whatever purpose you want. So I've inserted an image over here and it gets inserted all the way. See? So it gets repeated. So how did I do it? Well, to insert a custom background image, you need to go to page layout and select the background option over here. And it will open this dialog box wherein you can choose a file from your files on your computer or do a Bing search, like I do a Bing search of say sunrise. So it will open up this image. Say I like this one. I click select and it has inserted this image. If you want to delete it, you can click here and it gets deleted. You want to insert the image again, you can again use the same option. Browsing will take you to the folder in your computer, or like I said, Bing search would bring you to your Bing search option and choose any image from there. So this is how you insert a custom image in Excel. The short code is Alt PG. So if you click Alt PG, if you press them together in a sequence, you would be able to come to the screen again. See you in the next video.